In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the fiscal quarter number of a date in Tableau. This is a handy skill that can help streamline your data analysis by aligning your financial data with fiscal periods. So let's get started. First things first, open the Tableau public app on your computer. If you're new to Tableau, this is the platform where you'll create, view, and share your interactive data visualizations. Once the app is open, navigate to your worksheet. Your worksheet is the canvas where all the magic happens in Tableau, and it's where we'll set up our fiscal quarters today. Next, you'll want to locate your order date field and drag it into the rows area of your worksheet. This action essentially sets up your data to be filtered and organized by date, allowing us to manipulate and interact with it easily. Now, look for the little plus icon next to the order date you just added. Click it to expand your data view into quarters. This will begin to break down the dates you have into those default calendar quarters. Now, we need to convert these calendar quarters into fiscal ones. Go to the Analysis menu at the top and select Create Calculated Field. A window will pop up, and here's where we'll give it a name that makes sense. Let's call it Fiscal Quarter. Type your query or calculation expression into the box provided and hit OK. This calculated field is a custom field you've created to represent your fiscal quarters. Once you've set up your calculated field, right-click on it and select Convert to Dimension. This ensures that our calculated field can be used in more advanced analyses instead of just being a simple measure. Now, drag this new dimension, fiscal quarter, into the rows area. At this point, your view should start reflecting your data divided by fiscal quarters. To enhance this even further, it's time to create another calculated field to capture the original quarter number. Go back and open the Create Calculated Field option again, and just like before, type in your calculation. Give it a practical name such as original quarter number, and hit OK. Once that's done, transform it into a dimension with a right click and choose Convert to Dimension. Finally, drag this field into the Rows panel as well, lining up your data by both fiscal and original quarters for a comprehensive view. With these steps, you've successfully set up a Tableau worksheet that not only displays the fiscal quarters of a date, but also aligns them with the standard calendar quarters. This dual perspective offers a rich understanding of your data across different fiscal and calendar periods. And there you have it, a practical and visually insightful way to manage and interpret fiscal quarters within Tableau. Thank you for watching.